Alright guys, today I'm going to do a little update on the Toolbox. It's been a while since I did one, and it's changed a little bit. First off, it used to be over here, and this is where my dad's old toolbox is. He got a new toolbox. Right there, you can see the size difference. Massive. So, yeah, we're going to clear out all this, and we're going to start taking the body off this car. We're going to keep this, put it over there. Anyway, I'll just start on mine. This is a Craftsman 4-drawer on top of the Harbor Freight tool cart. Got this for free, and I got this for $100 with a coupon. So up top, I just got some magnets. These are like Neo magnets or something. Next to this magnet stick, I got some earmuffs and then some headphones. I got this little oil can from Harbor Freight. It's pretty cool. It just squirts a little bit of oil. It's like $2, and it's a metal can. It's pretty cool. I got a pair of sunglasses up there. Paint spray you can hook up to rattle cans, and it'll be like a little spray gun. Up top now, I just keep all my spray paint bottles. I got Plasti Dip, engine enamel, high heat stuff, primer, more Plasti Dip, some clear, trim paint, all kinds of stuff. Got a little clip here, safety wire, some Sharpies and pencils, safety glasses. This is like the free thing you get from Harbor Freight. My school's right by Harbor Freight, so I always go in, and this is no purchase necessary. So I got 2 of these, and this, which is like a magnetic part holder. It's pretty cool. I can like put this on something, and it'll hold parts, because I lose bolts a lot. Yeah, on the side, I got these 2 speakers, so I can hook up my iPod to it. And yeah, that just plugs into the wall there. On the side here, I got some Harbor Freight funnels. It was a 4-piece set, and I put one in my car. I got all my Phillips. Oop, dropped a funnel. Got all my Phillips over here. My most used Phillips is this. Is this a number 3? I'm not sure. Wait. Not sure, but it's the most common size, and yeah, works really good. Over here, I got all my flathead screwdrivers, various lengths and sizes. Got another one of these clip things. Back there, I just got some like car manuals and random stuff. We'll go into the drawers now. The top drawer, I have all my metric wrenches, my Craftsman wrenches, and my adjustable Craftsman wrenches, and then I just have a pair of Craftsman channel locks. I got this little set too, and here's just some Torx bits and some just regular Phillips and flathead bits. Here I have standard stuff. Most of these are Craftsman, and these 2 are really old snap-ons. Adjustable wrenches. Another one of these Craftsman mini sets, and then a couple random assortment stuff. Sharpie. Here's the pack of Harbor Freight stuff I got. Some regular screwdrivers. They said they're magnetic. I don't know. They say they're magnetic, right? Yeah, magnetic tips. Huh. Yeah, so that set I'll give to my brother probably, because I already have a set. I got a Zippo, some Teflon tape. Here's just the random drawer. I have more Teflon tape, electrical tape. Oh, I was looking for this. My T6. I got the rest of them in my room because I use the Torx for like pocket knives, and I got some pocket knives upstairs, and I had to tighten a pocket clip, and I was looking for the T6. So I'll probably bring all those down here. Some random stuff, some battery cleaner, trim remover, Leatherman wave, some battery potions, drill bit, wire brush, toothbrush, pick set, regular bit driver. This is my gear puller set kit thing. That was like 40 bucks at AutoZone, so little scraper. Just a whole bunch of random stuff. Various tools, little file set. Swiss made. My dad gave this to me. Little driver set. Little light, test light thing. Automatic punch. Down here I got hundreds of zip ties. This drawer's kind of broke, so gotta be careful with it. I got a torque wrench in here, some oil, a Bahamian flag, tons of zip ties, some of this wire loom stuff, a pair of headphones, fishing reel, some hose, this cheap $5 multimeter that I got for free. I'll give that to my brother. This is like a $35 one from Harbor Freight, which is pretty decent. I didn't have the money to buy like a $100 one, and it's actually really nice. Definitely worth the money. I have a video on that. I had it for a while. Here's all my pliers. I'm missing my good side cutters. I have these little side cutters, and then I have some normal size. My brother might have them. But, yeah. Wire strippers, pin snips, vice grips, needle nose. A big snap-on needle nose. These are awesome. I'm not just saying because it's snap-on, but any long nose. I use this a lot for, like, weed eater gas lines in the gas tanks. All kinds of stuff. Rivet gun. More channel locks, linesman pliers, and adjustment wrench. Here's another like random drawer. I got some drill bits, my drill bit set, and then I bought these because I'm always breaking the little ones. I got a clamp. I got more clamps somewhere else, I think in here. Bike patch kit. Yes, a tech deck. 2 fuses and 2 connectors, fishing line, a mirror, the rest of the screwdrivers to that kit, micrometer, fish hooks, Allen wrench set, cobalt, got another set in there, standard and metric, more screwdrivers, scissors, a big pair of adjustable. And here, my favorite drawer, sockets. 1/2 inch, I got, I used to have only these, standard 1/2 inch, and then I picked up a set of Stanley metric. And, you know, they're good. I mean, I haven't had any problems with them. Got these at Walmart. So I'm happy with them. Here's just a random, these are all don't know. These are all metric, and these are all standard, just random China stuff. Got extensions and spark plug sockets and wobble sockets. Not sockets, but wobble attachments. I got these from Harbor Freight too. They're Warrior brand, whatever that means. But these you put in like your drill, and then you can attach a socket to them. And these are actually pretty nice. They look like hardened or something. But they got that ball in there and everything. They're covered in some sort of oil right now. I haven't used them. I just bought them. But I wanted to be able to use some sockets on a drill. Back here I just have some standard 1/4 inch to go with my metric 1/4 inch set. Right here. I used to keep them underneath. That's why that note says there, but it was too annoying. So I put them over there. This is a nice little proto kit. This is my old snap-on 1/2 inch drive. I got a Craftsman one over by the workbench. I have 4 3/8 drives. This is a Cobalt. This is a S&K. This is a Craftsman. This is a China. I actually like the China one over this Craftsman one. The Craftsman ones, I hate them. I feel like they like skip teeth and stuff. I don't know. They like always lock up on me and stuff. This is a 1/2 inch extension. What else? I really like this Cobalt ratchet. It's really fine tooth. And I really like the S&K also. Not as fine tooth, but better than those two. Along with that Cobalt ratchet, all these are Cobalt sockets. Metric, shallow metric, deep, standard shallow, standard deep. Really nice sockets. I really like those. I'm really happy with them. And then my uncle also got me this Cobalt set, which is this ratchet. Basically the same set, just in a 1/4 inch. But this one's different because it comes with all these bits and weird extensions and stuff. Yeah. Comes with this weird T thing, like a tap and die set. I don't know. I've never used it. I've only used the ratchet, so. This is my snap-on ratcheting screwdriver. This thing is awesome. I use it every day. I've tried using like a cheap, like $3 ratcheting one, and like I could never get the hang of it, but this thing just works. Like super fine teeth. I don't know. I use it a lot. In the bottom, this is just a random drawer again. I got a soldering kit, some 0 gauge wire, heat shrink, hot glue sticks, a hot glue gun, a little caulking gun, another one. This is like a wrench set or something, yeah. More Allen wrenches. Got a relay down there. More safety glasses. I got some RTV, a pry bar thing. Not a pry bar, a cheater bar. Some electrical stuff. Trailer hitch, random parts. Another Allen key. Got my ball peen hammer. Some clamps down in there. Little bit set. Just all kinds of random stuff. On the bottom, I got this big old bag here. This is like a fishing bag, but I just filled it with car parts. Got like an alternator in there. Some wire. Some cleaner. My Dremel kit. use that a lot. Really like it. So that's the toolbox. That's my toolbox. My dad's toolbox. That thing's huge. This is the backup toolbox. Look at my dog and cat just chilling. Look at that. We're gonna move this toolbox over against the wall. We got a transmission on an engine stand. We got our engine hoist. What else? Drill press, vise, bench grinder. Got more storage in here. Keep like a Mac gun in there, and that Harbor Freight electric one. We bought this because we were going to take out a motor out of some guy's house. I mean, out of a car at some guy's house, and we needed that. We didn't have our air compressor. We couldn't bring our air compressor with us. Here's that Craftsman 1/2 inch. I also have. Keep it over here in case we need it. Got like extensions and stuff. We got our sockets in there, impact sockets, air conditioning. This is a random drawer, but yeah, we got a Miller welder, Millermatic 150, Sears air compressor. This is really old. We also got a oxyacetylene torch set, a couple extra tanks. Yeah, so that's about it. If you have any questions, any of my tools or anything, just about any question, just leave a comment and I'll try to answer it. Alright, thanks for watching.